Welcome. If you want to take more control over who can comment on your Instagram stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to allow comments only from followers you follow back. This updated method will help you keep your stories more private and your interactions more meaningful. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once you're on the main feed, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, find the menu icon at the top right corner of your profile. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the menu. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Comments. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can control who's allowed to comment on your posts and stories. Now, under the Who Can Comment section, you'll see different options. Look for the one that says Stories and tap on it. Here's the important part. You'll see several choices for who can comment on your stories. Select Followers you follow back. This means only the people you follow who also follow you will be able to comment on your stories. It's a great way to filter out unwanted comments and keep your story interactions limited to people you trust. Once you've selected Followers you follow back, your settings will automatically update. There's no need to save or confirm. Instagram takes care of it instantly, and that's it. You've just set your Instagram stories to only allow comments from followers you follow back. This simple change can make your Instagram experience more enjoyable and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.